They say a man never really knows himself. Until his freedom's been taken away. I wonder, how well do you know yourself?
Prisoners, step forward onto the platform.
Convict 626. Murderer. Pirate. Traitor. Today, you go free. But, as you'll soon learn, even freedom has a price.
Combat suit sealed and locked.
You'll carry your prison with you. That armor will be your new cell. Make no mistake. War is coming. With all its glory. And all its horror. Mr. Findley, your freedom awaits.
Hell, it's about time.
Held a press conference commemorating the end of the so-called Brood War some 4 years ago. Our own Kate Lockwell was on the scene.
Emperor, the threat of a new Zerg invasion is still very real. But instead of expanding our fleets, you've squandered trillions on hunting down has-been rebels like Jim Raynor.
Jim Raynor represents a clear and present threat to this dominion. He is an unscrupulous, lawless revolutionary bent on spreading fear and dissension across the sector. He and his ragtag band of miscreants have instigated open rebellion across 6 separate worlds and stolen vast amounts of Imperial weapons and armor. This criminal will be brought to justice very soon.
It ain't over till it's over, you son of a bitch. Adjutant, are my troops ready yet?
Your forces are prepared and awaiting your orders, Commander. Uploading tactical data now.
Good. About time we kick this revolution into overdrive.
Backwater Station is the center of Dominion logistics on Marsara. Destroying Dominion authority here will cripple Emperor Mengsk's operations throughout the planet.
Adjutant, what do you got for me?
Dominion forces have set up a logistics headquarters in the town of Backwater Station. This has become the hub for all operations on Marsara. The Dominion recently pulled troops out of the city and they are now under strength.
Are the locals cooperating?
The people of Backwater Station are known to be anti-Dominion, but they lack weapons and organization.
If I can take that headquarters away from Mengsk, it'll cripple him on this planet. Prep my ship. All right, boys. Let's show the locals they don't need to fear the Dominion. Break it down. You can count on me. Raid.
Commander, there are tutorial videos awaiting your review.
You can count on me. Keep your intervals wide, your eyes open, and your asses covered. Let's move. Time to...
Don't go up that road.
Raiders roll. You can count on me. Raider. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. Raiders roll.
Keep a close watch on your neighbors. Descent will only slow our progress.
Commander, destroying the Dominion holoboards will help incite rebellion against the Dominion.
Count on me. I'm getting mighty tired of seeing Mengsk's face. Blast it. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Where is everyone? Man up. Raiders roll. You can count.
My neighbors. My family.
This is starting to look ugly.
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about. Raiders.
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raider.
Work hard.
Time to man up. Raiders roll.
That's Raider. Was one.
Count.
No sacrifice.
Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders.
Your freedoms must be protected.
Sounds like a plan. This is bad. Raiders roll. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Finally, there's the locals.
You'll all be given a meal when you reach the dig site. My brother went off to the mine last week. He disappeared. We got a runner.
They're shooting civilians! Move in! Time to man up. Kick ass. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Mengsk has a lot to pay for.
Thank you, Raider. We knew you wouldn't forget us.
There's more people still being held up ahead.
I'll see to them.
Marshal Rayner. Been a while since we saw you around here.
We're with you, Raiders!
You can count on.
This is a restricted area. Insurgents are under arrest. We got your back, Rain.
Sounds like a plan. Give them some pep. Raiders roll. You count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
We could fight them, but we can.
Now you've got the weapons and the resources to do it. Remember, Mengsk can only control you if you let him.